Mga magigising na kababayan na lumaban pa po noong World War II? Yan po ang tanong ni Mr. Ago Pedalizo, isa po siyang veterans advocate. Ago.
Mr. President, buo pa rin po at matibay yung hangarin ng ating mga veterano at mga balo na ipaglaban yung pagkilala sa kanila bilang veterano ng Amerika. And in so doing, dapat magkaroon sila ng buong benepisyo, pantay na benepisyo, kasama na yung monthly pensions. Bubuksan na po early next year, mag-sponsor ang dalawang kongresista mula sa California para buksan ang isang bill for full equity. Ang tanong ko po, ito po ba ay susuportahan ninyo?
Hindi ako ganun ka-conversant pa sa ngayon about the topic. Yesterday, we were with the mayor of, I think it's Milpitas, California. He pointed out that there is a monument erected already there to honor the 250,000 veterans. Actually, this whole trip, the veterans that I managed to meet have been saying that there has been recognition. This is the first time I've heard that there was a not complete recognition. I'll be honest, we are concerned more about the pensions of our retirees in the Philippines with regards to the AFP. Senator Biason told me at one point, he started out with, I don't know if it was 4,000 or 8,000 when he retired. It is now 45,000 na pension. Why am I telling you this? It has gotten to the point that it is, by about 2 years or so, mas mataas na ibabayad natin sa pension kaysa sa sweldo ng mga aktibong miyembro ng ating kasundaluhan. At yun po nagpapahirap na magparami tayo ng sundalo at saka pulis sa Pilipinas. Now, in your case, let's give a little time to study precisely this problem. I mean, the DND is focused on so many things at this point in time, but I know they have been studying both the domestic issue, and I'll task the DND and the DFA to sit down and see what else can be done to help in lobbying for the full recognition of their system.
Naku, sana nga, Mr. President, matulungan niyo po habang buhay pa ang ating mga manong at saka yung mga balo po nila, inaasahan po nila ang yung todo suporta. Samantala,